Hi guys, this is the ABUS 80 Ti /50 Ti for TITALIUM, very lightweight padlock. It's 6-pin padlock. Quite a challenge on this. Find these padlocks very hard to pick. Tolerance is fantastic in them. There's around about 3 spool pins. Adrian Webb actually got Bosnian built, cut one of these open. There's about 3 spool pins in. 3 spool pins, about 2 serrated pins in them, and 1 mushroom pin. The serrated pins are not very deep serrations, so they act as a standard pin. So it makes it a challenge padlocks to actually pick. Let's give it a go. Peterson gem. Newington pin 5, set that. 6 a set. Newington 4. Let's go into a false setting there. Touch pin 6 and drop slightly. Pin 2. Just touch 3 and it dropped. I found that I'm having to reset these pins quite often on these ABUS ones, titanium range. Movement on 6. And on 5. That's pin 3 again. Pin 2. Padlock, I've overset some of that, so I'm just going to give it a wiggle. That's it. Got me back into my full set. Let's try and find the next binding pin. Pin 2. There we go. I'm quite surprised, to be honest, because that's one of the fastest times I've picked this padlock. Guys, if you really want to challenge lock with pins serrated, mushroom pin in, The ABUS 80Ti50 is a fantastic lock. I've got it in the 60mm. It's only 5 pins. Not much of a challenge, but this is a fantastic lock. Get one of these if you want loads of fun, guys. Cheers.